All right, so here's what your assignment looks like for today, Thursday. The first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to review claim evidence and reasoning with a video that you've probably seen before. We've done it in class. Watch the video real quick, and then you're going to look at claim evidence and reasoning. This is a review, so this should be something that's pretty simple. You might even be able to find your old one, but this is just to get us back in the mindset of writing these scientific arguments. So you're going to use these boxes down here and sort whether it's a claim, evidence, or reasoning. Once you're done there, this kind of is a self-check. You can look and see if you got it right. And then you're going to write a quick scientific argument using claim, evidence, and reasoning from this first video. Once you're done with that, you're just going to review claim, evidence, and reasoning based on this video also. This video is like a quick 30-second video. It reminds you about what a claim is, what an evidence is, and what reasoning is. So watch that really briefly. And then once we get into 6, this is kind of like the meat of the assignment. This is the part that's, aligned to what we've been talking about in class. It asks the question, who stole Baby Park the Dragon? And then it gives you some instructions. So the next slide that you're going to have is just to sort. It gives you some examples of some claims, some evidences, some pieces of evidence, and some reasoning. And you're just going to kind of move those things to the right note. They might not all be correct, but that's okay. Right now, this is just getting you sorting which sentence structure is most like a claim or evidence or reasoning. Once you're done with that, you're going to go down and you're actually going to write your own claim. So your claim should be, I think blank stole Baby Park the Dragon. So you're just going to, in this box, type, I think, and then maybe you say like Mr. Prince and Mr. Dorchak stole Baby Park the Dragon. Okay, you're just going to write your claim, whatever it is, on this slide. Then we're going to move to your evidence. Remember, you need 3 pieces of evidence to be considered a pattern. So you want to make sure that you have 3 pieces of evidence. There's a slide for each one. This is evidence number 1. This is what you saw or observed in your labs. It should be from pages 13 to 17 in your notebook. Remember, the more specific you are, the better evidence it is, okay? After each piece of evidence, you're also going to write your reasoning. Your reasoning is the science that you know. So think about what we know about particles, what we know about reactions, what we know about how things change over time. And each piece of evidence should be backed up by a reasoning. So you'll have evidence number 1 and then reasoning number 1. You're going to do the same thing with evidence number 2, reasoning number 2, evidence number 3, and reasoning number 3. If you have more, you can always add more. On the last slide, slide 15, you're going to put your claim, all your evidence, and your reasoning. Make sure that you're highlighting it in the correct colors so that I can see what your claim, evidence, and reasoning were when you do this. Okay. And once you finish that, if you finish everything before class is over, you can choose something silent to do. Okay, that's it.